So this is going to be my first one of the state of the blur. Yeah, if you've been on Discord recently, you know that things have been blurry for me. Yeah, in the past week, I had some eye surgery done, and hopefully things will start to get better soon. That way I can jump back into some editing and projects and everything. But there's some issue that seems to have come up, especially I've had more time, and some of the reviews on YouTube just plain suck. And it's the disgrace to all you guys and gals out there. And it's not something I'm doing. It's what others are doing. There's a certain lawnmower review that especially brought that to light for me. And I don't normally go watch other tech reviews and everything. And you may be saying, well, hey, you review tech stuff too. Don't you go watch all this stuff? And actually, I don't. I might go watch some boring, documentaries or whatever. And well, on Discord, people were talking about, well, yours was much different, and some things in the YouTube comments. Well, this XYZ channel reviewed it, and they said everything was great. Did you get a bad product? I don't think so. But was there a revenue thing behind it that made them say it was good? Did they just want to drive affiliate sales? Were they paid for the video? I don't know. You be the judge, because I don't think they're going to really come out and tell you. Especially some of the channels. But that just gets to me on some of these reviews, and I may find that I get a little more negative into the review, and that's just me trying to find all the little problems out there, and that way you can make a sound decision before you purchase things. Not that just every product is bad. Now, of course, I do the affiliate links down below type thing. And that does help pay for things, because I've spent thousands of dollars in upgrading camera stuff recently, and I never would have thought I would buy this stuff. But hey, that makes better projects and get to share more with you out there on YouTube in a better quality and a better light. And yeah, and that brings to being totally transparent. I still, after all these years, have not paid myself out of anything I do for this YouTube channel. Now, I do buy different things and whatnots and different light switches or whatever projects and products it might be that, for the channel, but I still just haven't taken a paycheck out of it, because I really don't need to. This isn't my job, and I do enjoy doing this for fun and not having that revenue drive behind the whole video of hey, I have to make a really good video and have to portray this product as the perfect thing since sliced bread, when it's really a piece of crap, just so I can make my rent for the next month. That way you'll click all the affiliate. No, that's not you're not gonna find that here. And yeah, that if eventually I do get into doing paid reviews or contracted videos or whatever, you bet your ass I'm gonna put on there and visually and say it that, hey, this is a paid review, XYZ, da 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 da. But yeah, I'm trying to be better about in the future of, hey, did I pay for this with my funds, or did they send this for review? That, I try to be unbiased as always, but, I just want to be in full disclosure of that. I have done some of that in the past, but I'll make sure and do more of that. So in some of the upcoming projects, I know OG wants me to get his tournament video out for jiu-jitsu. Some people will absolutely hate it. Some people will love it. But hey, I support my son, and I love that he's really grown in this sport, so I'll share it with everyone out there. Try to do more of a little highlight reel. If you don't want to watch it, just skip on to the next one, because that's what I try to do, is interleave all the various types, whether it be home assistant or cameras or DIY or project videos or product reviews, and try to, that way you don't just get worn out with all the different ones. And I'm talking with my damn hands too much, but I want to beat the crap out of these damn flies that got in the house that we had the door open earlier. But that's a whole different other deal. So other stuff I have coming is, maybe we'll just do some more unboxing videos, and those are quick little review things. And I can tell you, I've been trying, I'm not a minute whore, that I've been trying to do smaller little mini reviews. But hey, I guess we do have the whole chapters down below, right? You can just jump around. So I do appreciate if you hung out this long in my big rant. I don't know if I remember or forgot anything, I want to drop down in this video, because all my stuff is unscripted as always. And but hey, come join us out in Discord and join in some of the different discussions we have about various things. And I don't know, what other else do you want to hear on this channel, and what do you want to know? I guess I'll leave you with one thing. Where does the name digiblur come from? Well, it came from back probably in the early 90s, or I think it was the early 90s or late 80s, all in the BBS scripting. And just because we had those slower baud, you had 1200 baud, 300 baud, and just some of the screens drew so slow. And I would just pop in to check things and play Trade Wars and whatnot. Well, I had scripts that would just boom, doom, 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 doom. And I would fly through some of the screens, and I would break some of the screens, and that kind of wanted to fully load. I'm going to throw my command in. Well, some of the guys that were the sysops that were watching things, one of them started coining me, "You're just a blur. You're a digital blur," as you come in and log in and come do things. So then the name kind of stuck as being digiblur. So that's all for this one. Press all them buttons, and y'all take care. It's been doing this for like 5-10 minutes. Just spinning the wheels, rutting up the yard. Super perfect. And there's nothing in front of it.